Today, Nasdaq now 21st of September. As I told you many days and weeks ago, the Nasdaq is going down to this level of today. It was 15,500 something. I told you we come back to 14,500. The current price is now at 14,782, as you can see. So if you are going to buy the market, you will lose money and you will lose 100%. From here now, you need only to sell. You mean here that the market is coming down and we have some pullbacks, you see here. So you go to Tradingview, you download my indicator, the SR indicator of DaveBrascoFX. This is this one. So SNR buy sell, and you go here and exactly you do the same, the setting you see, you take the setting exactly like it is default. You can change them too, but don't do that. So you go here and custom time frame for high and low, where you see here this one, all right, 40D. You press on OK, you come back and it instantly is showing the market. How can you interpret it? So you see here the bars are coming up and down. The upper line dotted to the bars is red, right? It is the plotted the plotted high intensity and sensibility. And if it is red, meaning the market will come down. Now we are here on 3-minute chart. You see here, you can, for example, go to another time frame. If you are, for example, scalper, you go to, for example, 30 seconds or 1 minute or 15 seconds. It is showing the same, and you know exactly the trend is the same in all the time frames. What you can do is you wait only for selling, right? You wait only for short selling, right? You can, for example, use also some filters like I do below. If all these filters are red, then you take the sell. You can also use very nicely trend lines, what work very well. And in this case, all the trend lines that are breaking down have higher probability and higher confirmation because the trend is down. So if you short the market at this stage, you will make higher profits than you buy. If you go buy, 50% profit chance, but 50% loss and higher, right? So I will now show you another example. We go, for example, to the oil market, right? Oil market long, and look how it's looking. And now you see the oil market is exactly the opposite. The oil is coming down currently, but you see all the lines are green, meaning oil is extremely bullish. What you can do here is you just use bullish setups, right? So I will try to use, if we go to trend lines, for example, we place one here. Right, for example, this setup. And now what we can do is we just wait until the price is over and above the trend line, and then we go long, right? Why? Because the indicator shows you the sentiment of the market is bullish, right? If you go short now, you will have 50% and more losing trades. And if you wait to take long trades, then you can go long. So now if you don't use this indicator, it would be very, very difficult because you have learned price action and blah, 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 bottom and buy the support and blah, blah, blah. So, and this is something wrong. And this indicator helps you to identify the trend direction on every chart and time frame. And the trend is very, very, very important. Why? Because if you trade on any time frame the market in favorite direction, we go now here in the oil market, you see. So I go, for example, to a low time frame, let's say 30 seconds. And you see, in 30-second chart, the market is coming down. Now on 3 minutes, I know generally the market is bullish, but temporarily the market is coming down, right? You see here, right? Okay, what can we do? We wait. We don't do anything. We just wait, right? You can go also to 15-second chart time frame. So I take 10 seconds. And you see, the indicator works here perfectly. You see, highs and lows are green. The market, the price action in 10-second chart is bullish. The price action, I said, but the trend is bullish. What will we do? We wait. Another trend line. And now this is the first trend line. And we wait in 10 seconds chart, right? So we wait. We don't do anything. We wait until the market is above this trend line and we buy. That's all. That's it. You don't do anything else, right? That's so easy to use this indicator, and this indicator is so valuable. From yesterday, I had a test account with real money. If I'm saying test account, it's not the demo account. I have some accounts which I'm trading with live money, and the money before the FOMC meeting, it had around 25% minus or loss, and shortly before the FOMC meeting started, I have been writing the night before this new script. And today, the same account, which was down from $1,000 to around $875, is now worth of $4,850. Just in 24 hours, the account made over 500% since yesterday, and the market is still going much more deeper, right? In Nasdaq, I'm talking about Nasdaq. And now we wait here, you see. So in 10-second chart, the market is coming down. I know exactly. I don't do anything. I have just to wait. I want only to buy. Why? Because the indicator tells me buy. All right, now look here what is happening. This is very interesting. Now, you see the color, both colors here are green. And now, you see, one color has turned into red. This is live, right? Oil is currently at 89,845. All right. Now our strategy has changed because it's assuming that possibly on daily or higher time frame, the uptrend is going down to which one? To downtrend. And now our strategy, so I will vanish this one now. All right. So on 10-second chart, and now I want to confirm if it is true. We go again on 1 minute. If they say it is the same. Yes, here we see here all the lines here are green and red, green and green. And now also on 1 minute chart, oh, you see the lines are red, right? So one of them, meaning the trend has changed, all right? But the low, we have higher high, but higher lows. So we wait, we don't do nothing. It's just meaning that the market is going down, right? But from here, we had bullish signal. Now the bullish trend is stopping. It's not bearish, right? The signal will be if both lines are red. We need to wait. It can happen. The first probability is that so we need to wait. If the market is going above the trend line and only if both lines are green, we buy. If the market goes above the trend line, but the high line, the upper line is red, we don't do anything, all right? In this state now, it means the uptrend is weak. If the market is going below 889 600 and both lines are red, then we sell. It's meaning we are in a bearish trend. Now we want to see how the oil market is, we say in another time frame 15 minutes, and we see, all right, on 15 minutes, yes. Can you see that? You see the upper trend is weakening. We have now lower highs but higher highs. The system is calculating automatically. And if we can see here, we see we are in a bullish trend. And I'm going now to a higher time frame to check that. This is trading. You need to have some confirmation. And we see, yeah, okay, somebody would tell, oh, but the market is falling here, the market is down, you can see that. No, it's not. You are a dump head, right? This is dump money because you see this stage, but I see also where the price is coming from. And you see here, the price is coming from here, from deeper. You need to look left. Look always left. What is happening? See here. See here. So the market is going higher, and now we have a correction, right? We have a correction, right? This high here, this low here, this low here at 88. This low here, something around here, all right? This low is higher than the prior lows, right? We can see that. Look always the left side, guys. And if you're trading on low time frame, don't be silly, don't be idiots. Okay, idiots just see the pullbacks and trend on low time frame, but profis and intelligent and smart traders go and confirm on higher time frames. Now on 130 minutes, you see here, okay, they said during the last days the market has been falling and then rising again. Gotta see that? You see? So you can see that here. Look, uptrend, 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 uptrend. So now I ask you, which possibility and probability would you have to do and to do to direct the trend, to identify the trend, and would you have higher winning chances if you trade in the direction of the trend or against the trend. There are some contrarian traders, but the contrarian traders, right? Contrarian traders are people who are trading against the trend. But also there, for example, here in this stage, it is against the trend, right? But they see 130 minutes. They go first on the higher time frame too. They don't blindly trade the low time frame. Then they go to the low time frame and, for example, 30 seconds. And so, okay, currently for the next hours, the market is down. And but look here, even if the market is coming down here on 30 seconds, what are the trading? They trade the trend, the 30-second trend short, right? By they exactly know where the market will turn, and to know that they go and check it on the higher time frame, right? But with this indicator, you see here, we wait, we are trend traders. And I give another example now in Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? We see Bitcoin down, crashing, boom. So on 30 seconds, and I don't need to go anymore on higher time frame because I see here the system, right? So the line is red and green. It's enough for me. Enough. The market is short bias, right? I want to check it. I go to, let's say, higher time frame, 30 minutes. So, and we see 30 minutes trend is down, boom, right? Now people see this here, this movement, but the market is coming down and up. Oh, buy, 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 buy. And there are against city people, very idiots. I like this word to use for those dumb traders because they lose, they deserve to lose because they don't want to learn. They have forgotten these higher highs. You see, higher highs that are falling. Look, another, now no more higher highs, right? He said, yes, but there is here a higher high. Yes, but you have forgotten to look on the left side, guy, right? So you see here, the market is up for a short moment, coming up, higher highs, consolidation, higher highs, higher lows, low lows, and then a peak. Oh, the market is going. So, and now here we have a consolidation of the higher highs, you see here. And all the time the indicator tells me, if you go to the support, you see here the dots, sell. I don't need to wait for any confirmation because the indicator is the confirmation because the highs are red. So once we test that support, sell. Then the market down, support, test the green resistance, sell. Why? The indicator is red and green. And meaning at the beginning, I show you now where the lower lows and the trend has begun. So, and you see here, exactly here, it was the, can't tell you the exact time. So it was, so on August the 7th of August, we had higher highs, right? But from here you see the market is in an uptrend, higher lows, but the lows are red, low highs, and then look here what's happening. Suddenly the green low turns also to red low, That means we have now lower highs and lower lows. And from here at 28,800, the sell-off of the Bitcoin started. Gotta see here, look, 26,000. Look, all the time, right? Now we have higher highs, higher lows and lower highs, but the trend is still in bullish because we had the signal before, and the trend continues. The trend continues, right? So now we are currently at 26 and the market is going down. Okay, now if I want to trade the Bitcoin, what can I do? Here I know the market is down. On 4 hour, the bias and main trend is down, and then I go to the 30-second chart. So, and on 30-second chart, make it bigger. All right, we see here what you have learned now is we sell, right? Where do we sell? We sell Bitcoin, yeah, here. We need a trend line. So Tradingview is very, very slowly. The first one we play here. And now we wait. And Bitcoin is coming below. And you see also further information I have on these lines integrated to this system. You see this one, these dots, you see here the dots, these big dots here. Right? You see they are red, meaning confirmation buy signal. Yes, you have in this trend indicator many confirmation all in one indicator by Davy, Brasco. I have written the script and I promise you, you will make a lot of money with this indicator. All right, go grab it. And before you go, you can go to my trading view page, DaveBrascoFX here. So Japanese yen is going up to 152 now, right? So then yesterday before the FOMC meeting, I made another trade idea. I told you where we go to. Look, yesterday before FOMC meeting. So I told you if you buy here, if you sell the market and wait for 14,567, and some were laughing at me. The price is 14,767 now, and after reaching that, we go to 14,251, and then Nasdaq will go back to 13,014, right? So gotta see that and look at the profit potential. If we reach the 14,567, and if you have already been watching my trade idea of yesterday and followed my instructions, you would have a risk to reward ratio from 1 to 12, meaning your risk would be 1 and your reward would be 12, and we are reaching that 12 now. If the market goes now to 14,251, we will have a reward of 1, a reward risk ratio, our reward will be 21 and risk is 1, right? Meaning from $1 we make $21. And if the market goes down to 13,014, what 90% I'm convinced we will reach that, then we will have a risk reward from 1 to 358%, meaning $1 has been turned to $358, right? And you see, you go to my Tradingview page, I have already described, right? But you can see that all only if you're subscribers, right? So, and then we go then to the next one, the levels of Nasdaq again. Also for other indices I published already days ago. So this page, DaveBrascoFX, is the most accurate, and 95% of the ideas on trades are all winners during the last weeks, months, right? If you would have followed my instructions. Look, all the levels are coming down. We have reached the first level, 14,992. We are reaching now the next one, 14,740. The price is now 14,762. The next one is 14,592, and so on the way down, right? So I hope that you are making good profits, bros and sisters, right? And I hope you are making good winning trades. So go to my Tradingview page and read them, subscribe to the channel, and I promise you, right, this page is making you rich, right? So there is no one in the market who is precisely doing this analysis like we do here. If you find some, just name me. In my analysis, I exactly tell you where stop losses are, where entries are, where profit takings, and also where to buy back, right? So this is the page only for serious traders, and I hope you are. We see the markets are going down. So Tesla, yesterday I said the Tesla, everybody was buying. I told, no, better my indicator told you, see here, Tesla, right? This was the first move before FOMC, and I told you, guys, Tesla will fall down, and look here what happened. Boom, crashed, smashed. Now Tesla is going higher a little bit. This is the buys. Elon Musk is buying his own stocks, right? And everybody is knowing that. If you look, you see the volume is so low, the market is going higher. The indicator says no, the market will fall down, but the volume is low, below the deadline, right? And that's it. Have a good day.